Now, former West Bengal Education Minister and TMC leader Partha Chatterjee moved the Supreme Court challenging the verdict of the Calcutta High Court in connection with the Bengal teachers' recruitment scam. Yesterday, a division bench of the Calcutta High Court upheld the orders of a single bench that directed the CBI to inquire into the case. Partha Chatterjee, who is currently the State Industry Minister, was questioned by the CBI on Thursday for over 3 hours. Now, the minister moving the top court against the Calcutta High Court order. So Partha Chatterjee, former West Bengal Education Minister, and senior Trinamool leader Partha Chatterjee moving the top court challenging the verdict of the Calcutta High Court in connection with the Bengal teachers recruitment scam. Let's go across to Tamal, who is joining us on the phone line. Tamal, what's the exact allegation against Partha Chatterjee and what's his strategy going to be going forward?
Well, this matter has been on before the Calcutta High Court single bench and thereafter moved to the division bench, essentially revolving around allegations of irregularities while jobs were given under the SSC recruitment. So basically, in the School Service Commission department where jobs were given to people, the allegation is people who do not deserve have been given the job as part of favoritism or quid pro quo, and those who are deserving, who have the qualification, they have been left out. So that's the essential allegation against the department, the education department, the state education department, when Partha Chatterjee was the state minister. So at this point in time, Partha Chatterjee, who is no longer the education minister, but still is held accountable for all the alleged wrongdoings which had happened during his tenure. The single bench had asked him to appear before the CBI, which he had done. But then at the same time, the single bench order, which had been quite critical of the state government and the education department when Partha Chatterjee was the education minister under Mamata Banerjee's government, that particular order had been challenged before the division bench. The division bench of Calcutta High Court, after going through the petition, in a way has upheld the single bench order, and thus Partha Chatterjee has moved to Supreme Court, filed a petition against the division bench order to uphold the single bench order, where it is being alleged and also construed that there had been wide-scale irregularities while giving jobs to people under the SSC scheme, which is School Service Commission scheme. So we have to wait and see whether the matter gets admitted before the Supreme Court, and if so, when the matter would be heard, and what would be the observations of the Supreme Court eventually.
All right, Tamal, we'll leave it there. Thanks very much for joining us with those details.